What's going on, everybody? So today we're looking at a market update for the day. It is March 8th. So it is just after the US stock market trading session. It's about 1:54 Pacific time. So it's kind of after the trading day, but it is midweek. We're looking at Wednesday, hump day. We're coming up on the back end of the week, which could be a very shaky, potentially choppy. I'm not sure if you want to call it kangaroo style, but the market is definitely looking to point in a certain direction on some fronts, but on others, potentially not. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by looking at DXY. And as you can see, there's a strong move up we have here. And we had this small bull flag, broke out of it, kind of shaky, bounced up off of it, and I'll zoom in a little bit here. Bounced up off of it, came down, had a big shakeout before we ripped back up, and then we kind of just continued a strong move up here, and we fell into this flag. And we held all important levels. We're holding our structure, our market structure on the midterm. We got a higher high, higher low, and now we got a higher high again. And I am looking for this to continue. Now we did kind of confirm off the top of this. We've been consolidating out here. So to me that shows quite a bit of strength. And when you look at some of these technical levels we have coming up here, we are definitely at some resistance. But with the consolidation right here, I'm thinking we're going to at least break up to this next level. So what does that mean? There's a lot of strength with the Federal Reserve being so hawkish and the recent economic data that came out today, and there's more coming out this week. So with this being strong for the short term at least, we can look at Euro USD. We're looking here first because there's a great trade idea. I posted a short about it today, and let's go ahead and take a look right here. So we're coming off this strong move down, a nice double top here. We didn't pull the trigger, but we see this strong of a move, and it doesn't look like this move down here, and we come right back up. This is a strong move. Now, there could definitely be, I don't have the indicator right now, but this could definitely be a vector candle, but it doesn't mean we have to come straight back to it. So as you could see, we had this little pullback, and I pulled the fib from this impulse move down to try and catch a quick intraday trade, and we actually haven't pulled up as far as I thought we would. I'm thinking we'll maybe form a double top, keep consolidating on the DXY, which we are definitely still in this range. So yeah, I'm looking at a short-term trade opportunity. Got to be patient, got to wait for that good entry, and we could potentially ride it down to this price target, and if we see it break through there, we are looking at the 1618, which if you zoom out, the 4 hourly, it lines up literally perfect with this. So there is some confluence here. This could be considered a nice demand zone where we can get some relief, potentially probably back up to these levels to maybe continue down depending on how the markets are looking. So that's Euro USD, short-term trade opportunity there potentially. But now we are going to look at the mother of all of the trading opportunities, always. So as you can see, we've got this downtrend. If you zoom out enough, you might be able to still call this a higher low. But for me, I think it's showing so much weakness, and with the macro environment, I think it's safe to say breaking out of this second flag, consolidating, breaking out, that's not looking good for the Bitcoin price. So it hasn't been following the DXY much, but with this move down, it kind of has. So you have reason to be a little uncertain on this move, but I am definitely short-term bearish, and I'm more bearish on altcoins right now. Even if Bitcoin doesn't do much, as long as the trajectory is down, those altcoins are gonna feel the pain. So another thing I've been looking at is some fib levels, more on the altcoins. We broke through the fib levels on Bitcoin already, but we're gonna go straight to Ethereum. And I could pull this over. Where do I have to pull it? I could pull this a little bit so we can look at it a little nicer. So we've been consolidating at this 618 level, right on it. And I'm looking at this impulse move up. We created a higher high, and then the pullback, which seemed to be doing great, and the macro environment just kind of busted us what seems to be below this level. So if that is the case, if that is what's going to happen here, then we definitely have a lot of downside to be had. As you can see, this we got this like triple bottom sort of thing coming here, but we did not really have a clean break, and it's really looking like a double top, or even you might be able to call this a triple top right here. The triple tap and a big move down. If we look at some of our indicators, 4 hourly, not much we could see on the 4 hourly. Let's see if we could see any on the daily. This should be able to tell us more about the story. So we have this high on the trend exhaustion, and then we keep going up, but we're getting lower highs on the trend exhaustion, and this higher one seems to be a signal really that there's going to be a move down. The other problem we are seeing with this is the price versus whale money flow is pretty low. So whale money's not coming in, but there's not much room for it to go out. So I mean, there's definitely uncertainty as far as the crypto markets and Ethereum, but I'm overall bearish. I am in some short positions. I got in on this move down, I believe. I might be able to tell you more on. No, I got in, sorry. This, I forgot we're on the daily chart. I got in once we broke out of here. I got in on the retest of this. If we broke out, came back up, once it was clear, I got in a short position on altcoins. So I'm in Ethereum, I'm in Solana, which that one's actually paying off pretty well because I've been watching this one ever since the huge move up. We were in this channel, kind of broke out, had a little suckers rally, and we're feeling the pain now here on Solana. So I'm in on a short with that one, and my last position is Litecoin. We don't need to go into that one, but yeah, overall that's how we're looking on the markets. So if you're looking at the markets and feeling similar to me, let me know down in the comments. Drop a like, do subscribe if you enjoy the content and the analysis, and I'll be back with more updates in the future. See ya.